So guys, on this video today, I'm going to show you how you can create your work email. So what you need to do is to keep on watching this video. So the website that I'm going to use to create my work email is this hosting platform, which is called HostGator. So HostGator is my hosting platform. If you want to use, let us say Bluehost, Hostinger, and on any other hosting platform, you can do them. They all work in the same way, but since I hosted my website on HostGator, that is why I'm going to use it. So I will go to my dashboard on HostGator. So once you come to your HostGator dashboard, you need to click on hosting, the area where it said hosting. Once hosting open like this, you need to scroll down until you find cPanel. So this is cPanel, and I'm going to click on cPanel, and it's going to open this page like this. So once you open this page, what you need to do is to click on this area where it said email. So once it opens like this, you are going to find the email that you have created before. So you are going to find all of them here, and you find the ones that they generated for you automatically when you created your website from their platform. And you will see on this icon here, this area where it said plus, and you can see create at the close to it. You can see this plus icon, and you see create close to it. Just click on that. So if you click it, it's going to open up here the domain of the website, which will be like yougospower.com, like what you are seeing on the screen here is going to pop up. And if you click on it, you are going to find a lot of other websites that you can select if you want to create like a domain with them. So what you need to do now is to select the one that you want to use. So I have selected YouGhostPower, which will be my website. So that is why I said, and one thing I want to still let you know is that you need to have a website for this to work. If you don't have a website, it will never work. So make sure that you have a website. That is how this creating your work email work. So if you don't have a website, I don't know if it works. So I don't have any other idea or a way to explain that to you, but I'm just letting you know that it doesn't work if you don't have a website. So what I need to do here now is to enter this, and I'm just going to enter Chris, and let us see. Okay, Chris is working, and here I'm going to enter my password. So I'll just enter my password here. So now that I've entered my password, I will just enter my password like this. So my password is okay. So now that I've entered my password, all I need to do now is to come down here and click on create. You can click on this button that says stay on this page after I click here, so that when you click on it, it's going to still be showing you this type of page without even changing anything. But I recommend you to just leave everything just like it is and click on create, so that it will take you to the normal page where you find every other email that you have created. So I want you to understand that our email is going to be chris@yougospower.com. That is now going to be our work email. So we can give anyone this email, and they can send us an email, and we can receive it, and we can chat with them and reply them whenever we want. So that is how it works. All I need to do now is to click on the area where it said create. So now that I've created, you can see something that pop up telling me to save this password if I want, but I'm going to save it, just for some purpose. So now that I've created the email, so this is now my email, which is chris@yougospower.com. This is now my work email. If anyone wants to contact me, I can just copy this, my email, and send it to them, and they can access it. They can be able to send me an email, and I can reply them on this, my hosting platform, which is HostGator. So to check your email, you need to click on this area where it said check emails. So once you click on that, it's going to tell you to select the software that you want to be using to access your email. So what you need to do, you need to select this one, which is called Randcorb, or you can select any other one that you can find at the bottom here. But I'm just going to click on with this one, which is Randcorb, and I'm going to click on it. And as you can see, it's Randcorb that we are going to be using all the time. And this is now the confirmation email that they sent to us. You can see the confirmation email of this, our Gmail account that we have just created. So that is how you can create your work email if you want to create it. And anyone that will send you an email, you will just need to come here, refresh it, and you find the email that people are sending you on this platform. If you want to use it to verify anything at all, you can do this without you paying any money. So you only pay for your hosting and your website, but you don't pay to create your work email. Your work email is 100% free. So that is one thing that I want to let you know, guys. So I hope that this video really helped you. For those of you who is finding it difficult to create their work email, and I will say thank you very much, and don't forget to like and share this video. If you have any question, please leave me that in the comment section, and I will see you on my next upcoming video, guys. Peace, and don't forget to watch this video to learn how you can make money from affiliate marketing. I will see you on my next upcoming video, guys. Peace.